KuCoin Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. If you're searching for a reliable and feature-rich cryptocurrency exchange, KuCoin might just be what you're looking for. Known as the People's Exchange, KuCoin is designed for both beginners and advanced traders, offering an intuitive interface packed with powerful tools. The platform supports over 700 cryptocurrencies, making it one of the most diverse exchanges available. Whether you're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or niche altcoins, KuCoin has you covered with spot trading, futures, margin trading, and staking options. Its standout feature is the low trading fees, only 0.1% per transaction, which can be further reduced if you pay with KuCoin's native token, KCS. Security is top-notch, with multi-layered encryption and dynamic multi-factor authentication, giving peace of mind to users handling large portfolios. KuCoin is also one of the few exchanges offering social trading through its trading bot, allowing users to copy strategies from successful traders, which is a fantastic way for beginners to learn and earn simultaneously. On the flip side, while KuCoin doesn't require KYC verification for most functions, completing it unlocks higher withdrawal limits and additional security layers, which I highly recommend. From a usability perspective, I found their mobile app exceptionally convenient. It mirrors the desktop experience with smooth navigation and instant order execution. Their customer support, accessible 24/7, has been responsive in my experience, though some users report delays during peak trading periods. Another noteworthy feature is KuCoin Earn, where you can stake or lend your crypto to earn interest. It's a great way to grow your portfolio passively, especially if you're holding long-term. However, KuCoin isn't perfect. It's not licensed in every country, so check regulations in your region before trading. Additionally, while the interface is robust, new traders might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of features initially. My tip? Start simple with spot trading and gradually explore advanced options like futures or leverage. Overall, KuCoin stands out as a highly versatile platform offering unmatched variety, affordability, and innovation. Whether you're a day trader, long-term investor, or crypto newbie, KuCoin delivers tools and opportunities for everyone. After months of usage, I can confidently say it's a solid choice for anyone serious about crypto trading.